Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn in how to add a footer and customize your footer in Shopify Dawn theme. Alright, so once you're on your store, the next thing that you are going to do is to click on the online store and click on the themes option. Alright, and then make sure that you have published the Shopify Dawn theme. After that, click on the customize option. All right, so once you're here at the left side, you'd be able to see here the footer section. So all you have to do is to click on it, all right, or scroll down all the way to the bottom, and this is your footer right here. Now, to customize this one, all you have to do is to click on it, and then you have here now the customization section. All right, so you can change this option right here, especially the color scheme. Right? So if you want to use this one, it will automatically change the color scheme of your footer. All right. And then right here as well, you have the text for the heading. And then if you want to include the email sign ups, you just have to toggle the switch on for this one. And then for the utilities, we have these options right here. So if you want to change the spacing, the padding, and for the theme settings, we have that right here. So if you want to add your Facebook link, Instagram, or other social media platforms, then you can add those right here. Then you have your headlines. You can also upload image right here and add your description. After that, you just have to click on the save option at the top right of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.